Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you play Blitz Pay on your Wish app. We'll go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Wish app. So just go down here, you click here on menu down here, then you come to next step here, then all you have to do now. So just click here on Blitz Pay here. So just click here, then it's going to take you here in this list. So then here can you spin here, you click here on spin and it's going to take you here or give you your so here you click here on play now, then you click here on OK, so then you click here on OK too, and it's going to take you here in this list here. So we just go to waiting to open with us in here. So can you choose products you want to pay here on your so on your Wish app, like they say here at the best deals to cart before this is shopping spare ends. So in here you will find all these products here if you want to pay it or add it on your cart. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.